Now, when an Electoral Boundaries Review Committee, or EBRC, is formed, it usually indicates the general election isn't too far in the future, but it can take some time.
That's right. In 2011, it took about 7 months, in fact, to get to polling day. The EBRC was formed in October 2010, and it took about 4 months to publish its report.
Another 2 months passed before Parliament was dissolved. Nomination day took place about a week later, followed by 9 days of campaigning before polling day.
Then in 2015, the EBRC took only 2 months to finish revising the electoral boundaries, and Parliament was dissolved just a month later. And on polling day, that fell on September the 11th.